PTron USB Raja. It comes with a lightning connector and a reversible micro USB connector. With a single power bank outlet, you can charge an iPhone and an Android smartphone simultaneously. You can also connect PTron USB Raja to an OTG supported smartphone to charge an iPhone. It has a female USB port to connect pen drives to your OTG supported phone to read and write data onto the pen drive. You can also connect a USB dongle in the port to use a wireless keyboard or mouse with your OTG supported smartphone. PTron USB Raja is exclusively available on latestone.com only.